Do you want some quick cash? Well, here's the solution, okay? Just follow the steps and you'll be getting that money, okay? Hit that subscribe, of course, and let's go and do it. First of all, I want to tell you that you can get a fortune with surveys, okay? This is surveytime.io, and you can see that you can get $1 for each survey that you complete. But these surveys are like 5 to 10 minutes long, so you can easily get done like 6 of these in 1 hour. So 6 of these in 1 hour, that's $6 per hour. So let's say that today you decide to work 4 hours on surveys. Well, times 6, that's going to be $24 for you. So $24 for you each day if you complete these like 4 hours per day. Now, that's a lot of money, right? If you do that for 30 days in a month, guys, just take a look at this. $700 for you. $700. And you just have to complete those surveys, okay? It is a really, really easy thing to do in order to get money. Actually, there's no work at all. $700. And you use this wonderful site, okay? You can see that you can get PayPal cash, but of course you can make yourself a Coinbase account and you can get some crypto as well. And just take a look at this, guys. Almost 12,000 reviews on this website on Trustpilot, and they've got 4.5 out of 5. And just take a look at the reviews. A lot of people are satisfied. A lot of these green, good reviews, people really love it, okay? It is a legit survey site, so I highly recommend that. Go and do the surveys, guys. It'll be worthwhile. Of course, the website is going to work all around the world, so it doesn't matter where you live, okay? It doesn't matter. You can get a lot of money for yourself wherever you live. Just complete those surveys and, of course, hit that subscribe button. Thank you. Now, they have a lot of these nice features, okay? And all that you have to do is you have to sign up, okay? And then you will do this like introductory survey, okay? That's just for finding your special demographic, okay? Demographic profile, and then they're gonna match the surveys for you. So at the same time, it's not gonna be like boring because they're gonna give you the surveys which are related to you. They know how to do that, okay? And you can see that there's no withdrawal threshold, okay? So withdrawal can happen instantly, okay? No threshold. Whatever you do, threshold is $0. So you can just complete a survey, choose a reward, and cash out by choosing your preferred gift card, okay? So it can be like PayPal gift card, or you can get Amazon, you can get Target, or you can get crypto. Crypto, to be honest, is a nice option as well because crypto is good nowadays. If you get some Bitcoin now, well, next week this is gonna rise to $20,000 and that's gonna be real profit for you, okay? That's gonna be real profit, but of course you need a wallet if you want to get that crypto because that's the place where you can store it, and you can go to Coinbase.com and make yourself an account. You can actually see that they support Coinbase and they're gonna send you there, so you will immediately get that, okay? The cash with crypto is so fast that your head is gonna spin. So all that is left for you to do now on this website is to go and complete those surveys, okay? That's all that you have to do, so go and do it. The next website where you can go and you can turn your time into money, as they say, this is called Cointiply.com. And if you head over to Cointiply on Trustpilot, you can see that they have 4.1 out of 5, and they have nice reviews as well. It is a legit paying site, and the thing with this one is that you can only get crypto, okay? It's a great crypto site, as this person is saying, and a lot of people are satisfied because they got a lot of money, right? You can get that money as well if you just invest your time. Honestly, there has never been an easier way to get money online, guys. Just take a look at this. You can get from $1 to $5 per each survey that you participate in. So it is the same as on Survey Time. You get $1, but sometimes they have like these $5 surveys, and those are gonna last for, I don't know, maybe 30 minutes or something like that. So they are longer, but you get more money for them. So at the end, it is all the same, okay? But here you can even play games if that's your thing. I don't like to play games for money. I play games for fun, and you can watch videos. Now, this is a fun thing to do. You can just watch videos and get paid for it. It's a really good option here. They have some really nice features, and they have fast payments, okay? You just have to grab yourself a wallet and you can get a Bitcoin. You can withdraw those coins anytime. And just take a look at this. They have this loyalty bonus. And if you log in each day and you just be here every day doing these tasks, you can increase your boost to 100%. So for example, if you get $1 per survey now, when you get to 100, you will get $2 per survey. And that's really good. And just take a look at this, guys. 3 million people are already on this website. So I think that it is a really, really good one. All that you have to do is you have to make yourself an account and start getting that money, okay? There's plenty of money for everyone and you can do it as well. Now, this is going to be the inside of it, okay? This is the dashboard of Cointeply. When you get inside, you will have this colorful dashboard in front of you and you can get confused, but don't you worry, guys. Just go and earn coins. And here you can see all of the options. So you have Roll the Faucet, you have some PDC ads, you have games, you have surveys, offer walls, whatever. But watching videos is my favorite option because they have partnered up with few of these like video making companies. So they have Jungle Survey, they have Playtime, they have Loot.tv, and they have Hideout, okay? Hideout is the best one in my opinion. On Hideout, you can just go and choose a video for yourself, and when it's done, you get the money, okay? So, for example, you can just search for a topic which is interesting to you, or you can just go and scroll through these videos, okay? So, for example, you can watch like these short videos, but of course, you can just watch longer ones, and that is what I suggest. Because you know why? Because you don't have to go and watch the entire video, okay? All that you have to do is to let this run in the background and then choose another one. So if a video is long for maybe, I don't know, 11 minutes, such as this one, you can then easily go and do something else for that time, okay? Because no one is going to ask you what was in that video. You just have to watch it from the start to the end, but you don't have to sit in front of the screen, okay? And you can also do this on your mobile phone. Just leave a phone somewhere and do something else. I don't know, whatever. Just leave the video to go from start to the end. That's how you get the money on Cointeply. It is a pretty easy solution for everyone, and I really think that there is no easier way to get the money, okay? There are also these like PDC ads, and they're really interesting as well because you can see that if you click on here, you have the option to visit certain websites, okay? So you can see that if you visit this website and you stay on it for 7 seconds, you get some amount of money, okay? But you don't care what is on this website, you just stay here for 7 seconds, and when it's done, you just go back, you complete this weird CAPTCHA, select pills, and that's it, guys. Your view has been registered, okay? Of course, combine this one with Survey Time, and you're gonna get a lot of money, guys. Go out there, take that action, and I'll catch you.